Take a look at this expression. 5 plus 5 divided by 1/5 times 5. What do you think the answer is? 25, 10, or 130? You have just 5 seconds to calculate it in your head. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 130. But I bet many of you got a different result. Probably 10 or maybe something even stranger. Let me guess how you solved it. You thought, this is easy. This 5 cancels out that 5, leaving us with 2 5s, which add up to 10. It sounds neat and logical, doesn't it? But I have to tell you, that is exactly the trap most people fall into. That answer is completely incorrect. The reason for this mistake goes back to the golden rules of math, rules that you've either forgotten or weren't taught properly in school. This puzzle can be solved as easily as drinking water using 2 laws, the order of operations, or PEMDAS, and the KFC rule. According to PEMDAS, mathematical operations follow a hierarchy. This means that just because you see something on the left first doesn't necessarily mean it should be done first. The priorities are, first, P for parentheses. Whatever is inside comes first. Second, E for exponents. This includes powers and roots. Third, M and D for multiplication and division. Here is the golden tip. These two have the exact same priority. This means you perform whichever one you see first from left to right. Multiplication is not necessarily higher than division. And fourth, A and S for addition and subtraction. These two also share the same rank, but they have the lowest priority, so we save them for the very end. Now, based on this, what operations do we have in our problem? Exactly! Multiplication, division, and addition. What should we do first, according to PEMDAS? Multiplication and division first, then addition. Since multiplication and division have equal priority, we start from the left. So the first step is 5 divided by 1/5. Now, take care. 5 divided by 1/5 is not 1. This is where so many people make a mistake. This is where another law steps in, the KFC rule. This rule is specifically for dividing fractions. The KFC rule says that to solve a division operation, for example, A over B divided by C over D, you just need to follow 3 simple steps. K means keep the first fraction exactly as it is. F means flip the second fraction upside down. C means change the division sign to multiplication. The result of this new expression is exactly the same as the original one. By doing this, you save yourself from the headache of complex division. So, according to KFC, 5 divided by 1/5 is solved like this. We keep the 5, we flip the 1/5, which becomes 5, and we change the division to multiplication. Look how beautiful this becomes. The result of this part is 5 times 5, which equals 25. Now, our entire expression turns into 5 plus 25 times 5. Again, according to PEMDAS, we must do the multiplication first. 25 times 5 equals 125. And finally, 5 plus 125 gives us our final answer, 130. It's that simple. Now it's your turn to use these 2 rules and show off your brain power. Find the result of the following expression and write it in the comments. 10 minus 5 squared, divided by, in parentheses, 1/5 times 1/2. Let's see who actually learned today's lesson. If you want to know more about PEMDAS and KFC and solve even trickier problems, I highly recommend watching these videos. Take care of your brilliant minds. Until the next puzzle, goodbye.